Yo, what is happening, legends? This is Rowan from OptimizeFX. Welcome to the review of week 4 of the $1,000 challenge, version 3. And yeah, what we have in front of us is, I'm just going to do this video a little bit differently. I'll just change a few things just so I can not have any issues with the laptop and its recording. So we're just going to have a quick look at all of these results here on my FX book of the portfolio of EAs that we have been looking at trading lately, but I will make a few changes. And unfortunately, with IC Markets, they have just had a change where they only allow up to 20 demo accounts open at any one time, and they can't delete old ones. So that's really shit. I asked why they can't, and they didn't really give me an answer. So essentially, for me to create some new demo accounts for this challenge and for any challenges in the future, I have to essentially create new accounts. So that sucks, but I guess you get that. So what I will be changing is I'll be changing Stepping Stone, MIEA 9, and Gold Catcher. So I'll give those three fresh accounts to start tomorrow, which is Monday. So they'll have fresh accounts starting with $1,000 instead of what's happening here. But it's only Stepping Stone and Gold Catcher that it's only affecting right now. And MIEA 9, unfortunately, it as you can see, the balance there is $125. It did blow the account this week. It was going really well, so I was actually really surprised that happened. It could be partially because I did see that it had quite a few pairs that it had trades going the wrong way. And I'm not sure if this is user error or if this is how you use the system, but with MIEA 9 and Precise, I saw that it's not a fully automatic EA. You need to manage it as it's trading. And I think with MIEA 9, what I probably should have done, and if anyone's had any success with it, let me know. But maybe what I should have done is, if I saw drawdown and starting to see a lot of drawdown on some of the pairs, I should have actually closed them and took a loss and let the robot restart again from where it was. So say if he had 3 pairs that were down $100 or even 50, there could be a limit there that you should close those as a loss, and then let the EA restart again and then go from there. So it might be worth trying again, but I'm going to get rid of MIEA for 9 for now, and I'm going to change it to FX Stabilizer, as that has been very requested EA to test. So I'm going to change it with that. So yes, but that's pretty much that was the biggest news that I had. Let's have a quick look at the stats here. I'll try and keep this video short. So the biggest profit here is Dragon Expert, which is good, but it also has a drawdown to 20%, which for me, I'll probably handle 30% drawdown. If it goes any over more 30%, then I probably wouldn't enjoy that EA. But I haven't had much luck with EAs myself and in live accounts the last couple of months, which is unfortunate. I think it's just timing. If you get in at the right time, I find the accounts go really well. But if you get in the wrong time with the wrong kind of trading EA, your accounts get blown, and that's just what happened. That's what's happened to me a bit lately, and I'm actually a bit over it, but you get that. That's just what happens. As long as you learn from your mistakes. So yeah, Dragon Expert has had the biggest profit, closely followed, well, it was closely followed by MIEA 9 until it blew its account. But Baby Shark was the next profitable EA, but it has a really high drawdown, 52%, which is quite big. Just remember, I think this one's trading on 1%. So 1% of its account equity or balance. I'm not sure on that. But I think the stars of the show here will be, you know, for this week and for the month really, would be No Sleep EA and EA Scalper Orion when I found the better settings for it. Also, because gold has been pretty much a bull market, and will be, I think, for a while longer, Gold Catcher has been trading really well as well. And this is probably, Gold Catcher would have to be probably my favourite EA at the moment. I'm yet to see how version 2 does with its buys and sells, but we'll see. We'll see in the next couple of weeks how it goes. Moneypile has come back. You know, it's almost at $300, but it has. It did go into quite a lot of drawdown with GU and Eclatant. It's stuck in a bit of drawdown at the moment. I think it's up to 34%. But all the others, a Stepping Stone I can't really comment on. It has been trading well, like it's up to 1,226, and that's its balance. You know, it's closed everything. I can confirm that is real. And Gold Catcher has it has made like $10 or I think $13 in the last since I started, which I think was on the maybe the 20th for the week. But yeah, other than that, there's not really much to really comment on. Everything has been going really well. I'd like to see what I might do actually is like a kind of a side challenge is, or not really a challenge, but I'd like to see how No Sleep and Orion can do more aggressive. So just remember these ones are on 0.01 lots, and I think these ones could probably handle maybe a little bit more. But I'm happy with the way these ones have been trading so far. Algo Gold is a bit scary now. It is. It's on Euro USD, and Euro USD is a bull market right now, and it's got a whole heap of sells open. So I'm not. I definitely probably wouldn't trade this Algo Gold 2.0 live, just because I see that, and if Euro USD doesn't come down much, or it has to pull back quite a fair way for Algo Gold to close all those sells, and I don't think it's going to. So. I can't see it going well for this in the future. Dragon has been going really well. It is really risky though, but you know, if I had to started it when I started this challenge, it would have gone really well. It is what it is, and that's pretty much a wrap up of the MyFX book for now. I'll make those few changes. I'll add those new accounts, and I'll probably show you all that at the end of the video. And so now I'll go over to the terminals. So we're back. I have made the changes to the MyFX book accounts, or the portfolio, and as you can see down here, we have 3 brand new accounts. They all have $1,000 in them. They're all raw spread, 1 to 500 leverage, all the same as all the other IC Markets accounts. It's got Gold Catcher, Stepping Stone, and FX Stabilizer, all starting brand new from tomorrow morning. With all the others. So this graph up here looks a lot better now. Okay, so we'll close that. Before we do that, we'll just close it this way. Righto. And as we can see here, we have Gold Catcher, Stepping Stone, and, well, No Sleep actually. This one needs to go over here. FX Stabilizer, all ready to rock and roll. The mode that I used on this was just turbo. That's the only thing I changed, was I changed this to turbo. Now, I'm not expecting this to. I'm actually expecting this EA to blow the account, and the reason being is that if you go to their website, it says that FX Stabilizer requires you to have a minimum balance, or you should trade with a minimum balance of 5,000 USD on turbo and 2,500 on durable. With default settings. So we've only got $1,000 here, so when I back tested on $1,000, it doesn't pass on this setting. So I'm not expecting it to I'm expecting it to blow the account, and it should. However, I'm interested to see how this goes on a cent account. So you can start with $50 instead of 5,000. and see how it goes with the cent account first. So I might do that as well, and we'll go from there. But that's pretty much it. Gold Catcher, we already know. I think we already know the settings for that. It's all pretty much, I think, pretty much default. And Stepping Stone, we already know the settings for that. But as you can see, no sleep. Euro USD is still moving up. It is in a few cells. And then we have EA Scalper Orion, which does have a buy, but it's not showing up here for some reason. So it is a little bit in profit there. Algo 2.0, this is what I was talking about. It just keeps placing sells. Yeah, really scary. Yeah, I wouldn't trade this EA, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, currently down $719, so I can't see it going too well. It's probably going to blow the account this week. Next we have Dragon. For some reason, when I restarted the computer and opened the terminals again, it's not showing the actual trades on the charts, which I find interesting. But it is down $34, but we've got a balance of $1,838. Then we move to Gold Catcher. It does have a few buys there. It is down a little bit, but you know, the market's come back a bit there. Baby Shark, it does, you know, for some reason they all, maybe it's just because it's the weekend, I'm not sure, but anyway, a couple of cells open and it's moving up, so I'd say it will probably place another cell, and then it will get the hedge. Eclatant is the same. It's scary, negative 453. Right. Okay. That's no good. And then we have Moneypile, which is down 64, mainly, well, you can see mainly, for some reason there's some cells down here. Same as this one. So I think Moneypile can be a bit buggy, maybe it's just this one. But these two here, which I find very interesting, is the same for both. So I might have to close those ones because they seem like a buggy little couple of trades there, because they're not in line with anything else. So I'll have a look at that tomorrow morning if I get time. Otherwise I'll do it tomorrow night, and we'll see where we're at. I'll just check all these out. But that is pretty much it for the review for this week, which is week 4. Generally I finish the contests or the challenges after 4 weeks, but I'm going to keep this one going for another couple, and because we've just added a couple more EAs, I'd like to see how they trade, forward test trading anyway. And yeah, but thanks for watching. We'll see how Gold Catcher, FX Stabilizer and Stepping Stone all do in the next week. I'll try and do another midweek review as well, if time permits, but otherwise I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.